Hello, today I will show you how to make your own DIY WindSlayer for GoPro or any other action camera for almost no cost. First things first, we must have to identify where the microphones are located on the camera. I happen to have a GoPro Hero 7 silver model. Now the silver model has two microphones, one on the right over here, and the other one on the left. So the main idea behind WindSlayer is to cover these microphones with a sponge or a foam kind of material so that the environment sound or your own voice itself passes through the foam, but the wind noise is blocked. Now I happen to use an ordinary foam which is from an old mattress of mine, and I stripped it out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the camera back in the frame. I'm going to use as it is and place the sponge right on top of the camera like this. I'm going to cover it tightly so that my microphone locations over here and on the other side are perfectly covered by the sponge. So after trimming the foam edges and cutting out a piece for the lens, we have finally arrived at this. As you can see, the foam is perfectly cut out for the lens and it won't cause any obstruction, so I have trimmed the edges a bit. Now as you can see, I have a mild travel over here of the foam, which I'm going to fix it with a Velcro strap, which I'm going to tie it right over here and all the way around. This will ensure that my foam stays on the camera and there is no bulging out of excess foam. Time for testing. As you can see, there is a great improvement in the sound captured by the GoPro after using this DIY WindSlayer. Thank you for watching.